How does naturalization affect immigration status? Imagine starting a new chapter in a country where you have built a life, but still holding onto the label of a permanent resident. Naturalization is the process that turns that story into one of full citizenship. When someone becomes a naturalized citizen, their immigration status changes from a lawful permanent resident, often called a green card holder, to a U.S. citizen. This shift is more than just a title. It unlocks many new rights and responsibilities under U.S. law. To qualify for naturalization, an immigrant usually needs to have held lawful permanent resident status for at least 5 years. If they are married to a U.S. citizen, the wait time drops to 3 years. During this period, they can live and work in the United States but do not have all the rights of a citizen. Once they meet the requirements, they can apply for naturalization by submitting an application, paying a fee of around $150, and attending an interview. The process also involves demonstrating good moral character, basic English skills, and knowledge of U.S. history and government. When the application is approved, the immigrant takes an oath of allegiance, pledging loyalty to the United States. This oath is a formal promise to support the laws and constitution of the country. After naturalization, the person gains the right to vote in elections, which was not available as a permanent resident. They can also apply for a U.S. passport, making international travel easier and offering protection abroad. Naturalized citizens can access government jobs that requiring citizenship and may be eligible for certain federal benefits. They can also petition for family members to join them in the United States, often with shorter waiting times. Additionally, they are required to serve on juries and may be called for military or civilian service if needed. From a demographic point of view, naturalization plays a big role in shaping the makeup of the U.S. population. It turns immigrants into full members of society, influencing social, economic, and political patterns across states and cities. Over time, many immigrants transition from permanent residents to full citizens, which changes the composition of the immigrant population. In practical terms, naturalization offers stability and expanded rights that help immigrants participate more fully in society. It also opens doors for their families and strengthens their connection to the United States. This process is a key step in integrating immigrants into the civic and social fabric of the country, making their journey more complete and their place in the community more secure.